woman's best protection is little money of her own. आज औरतें मर्दों के साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर चल रही हैं. They are driving, they are working, they are managing home, they are taking important life decisions. पर जब हम पैसों की बात करते हैं तो उन्हें ये रॉकेट साइंस का सब्जेक्ट लगता है. सेविंग्स, इंश्योरेंस, इन्वेस्टमेंट, वो कहते हैं मेरे हस्बैंड, फादर या ब्रदर उसका ध्यान रखेंगे. विमेन एम्पावरमेंट इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट अर्निंग मनी, फुलफिलिंग अ पैशन, बट अपने उस पैशन से हार्ड अर्न मनी को अपने लिए हार्डर वर्क कराइए. टेक दैट फाइनेंशियल डिसीजन दैट यू हैव हेजिटेटेड टू टेक ऑल दिस वाइल. This Women's Day, vouch to empower yourself financially. For help, come to me. I, being a woman, would love to help you and guide you towards health, wealth and happiness. This is Prachi Sharma from Integrative Financial Solution, your savings, your investment and your insurance partner. Thank you.
Beauty has always been synonymous to female, but today both men and women are realizing that they need to take care of themselves first to be able to take care of their families and their better halves. It is heartening to see a female get a head massage done while working on the laptop and at the same time a father accompanying the child for a haircut. Hello, I am Shraddha Goenka from the Burgundy Salon, a space where you feel warm and comfortable to rejuvenate, to be able to go back and conquer the world and be able to tackle the hardships and balance both your work and home. Thank you.
A man backing a woman makes her more powerful, but a woman backing a woman makes her more influential. Be it a politician, a homemaker, a banker, a woman is empowered by another woman. She needs a woman as much as she needs men to fulfill her dreams and aspirations. This Women's Day, let's celebrate all the women who inspire each other, build each other, support each other to attain financial independence. Hi, this is Poonam Goyal, co-founder of The Little Human, a kids footwear shoe store, already running in 3 cities and planning to go pan-India. Thank you.
बच्चियों को कहना कोई नहीं सिखाता, वो अपने आप सीख जाती है. For some women to work is to work for an identity, but for us it was a necessity to have that do work की roti. But now it has become a dream for us to take this business to next level. Hi, I am Sonali Jain and she is Anita Jain, my mom. She single-handedly raised 3 children and worked from that very same kitchen from where now we have become a big name in Guwahati as Anita's Kitchen. Our main purpose is to provide homemade food to the people of Guwahati, and we thank you all the people of Guwahati for giving us a chance to serve you. Our message to all the beautiful women out there is, if you have a dream, you'll find a way. Thank you.
Being a woman is not an easy job. From handling the work to handling the kids, from handling the kids to handling the housework, it's a roller coaster ride in itself. I remember when I started the work, handling the male carigers for making my jewelry was a task in itself, and then on top of that, handling the customs in this male dominant society is not easy. Trust me women, I know every one of you will agree with me on this. Hi, I am Nidhi Jain.
And I am Shruti Agarwala, and the passion for jewelry has brought us here. We started with an online store and now supplying to 35 different multi-designer stores and doing internationally. Has broken the nutshell of hardships for us. It's never been easy, but when we have a dream, the path is carved. Women are confident in themselves. We just help them accentuate that confidence with our jewelry. Get in contact with us in our Facebook and Instagram page by the name The Bling Girl. Thank you.
Thank you.
I do not want to be a flower, picked for its beauty and left to die. I want to be wild, rare to find, but impossible to forget. Hi, I am Vishaka.
Hi, I am Vrinda.
Today on Women's Day, we take immense pride in sharing our journey from being homemakers to entrepreneurs.
We have been catering to the fashion needs of women and children since 20 years under the brand name Eclat.
The journey from being a wife, a mother and a daughter-in-law to businesswoman has not been smooth sailing, but with fierce determination and great passion, we have been able to achieve a niche for ourselves.
We We would like to be a source of inspiration for all the mothers and daughters of our society and be what they want to be in today's world.
To all the women there, do you all know why did I drape this blue color 6-yard sari today? Because I wanted to show all of you that womanhood is not only about pinks and purples. We have our own journey. I'm sure each one of you must be having your own too. And imagine when we can give birth, what is there in life that we can't do? Having born in Bengal, worked in Bangalore and settled down in Guwahati, I had my own journey to share. Today, I, Rita Harlalka, is in front of all of you to share my journey as an entrepreneur, wherein I have a brand called Muhar and I cater to all real jewelry requirements for Pan India. I have a ready stock and I do customization as well, and this was my profession that I'm talking about. Now I'm going to talk about my passion, which is Mic Mellows. I train people for public speaking, creative writing and other personality development skills. We train children, adults, teens, champs and of course women too. And to fight in this brutal world, you all must be surprised that my co-speech coach is Dr. Shomendu Bhattacharjee, a man who respects women and womanhood. To all the women out there, a big shout out to us. Hip hip hooray. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Priya Agarwal representing Zara, the only manufacturing of kurtis in Northeast. Today I would like to share that in my professional life of 10 years, I think I am a better decision maker, a better manager and a better organizer. Women, I feel it's much strong-willed and have an essence of never to give up. I would like to share that I have a lovely woman in my life, my mother, who's raised me really well and I'm really proud of her. Today on Women's Day, I'd like to share my motto, keep working in silence and let success make the noise. Thank you.